Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to know if Lumi Glutathione is original. First, always examine the product's packaging carefully. An authentic product will feature a clear holographic seal, which is a key indicator of legitimacy. The printing on the box should be crisp and high quality, with no smudges or errors. Also, confirm that the batch number and expiration date are clearly visible and legible. These initial checks are crucial for spotting fakes. Next, utilize the security features provided. Most original Lumi products include a unique QR code on the packaging. Use your smartphone to scan this code, and it should direct you to the official Lumi website for verification. Additionally, check for any security stickers or seals. These should be perfectly intact, showing no signs of tampering or previous opening. This step provides a strong digital confirmation of authenticity. Now, let's look at the product itself. Original Lumi Glutathione capsules typically have a consistent color and texture. There should be no strange or chemical odors emanating from the bottle or the capsules. Each capsule should appear uniformly filled, without any visible discrepancies in powder level or appearance. Any significant variations in these aspects could indicate a counterfeit product. Trust your senses here. Finally, consider your purchase source. To guarantee authenticity, always buy Lumi Glutathione from authorized distributors, reputable pharmacies, or the official Lumi website. Be extremely cautious of prices that seem too good to be true. Genuine products rarely come with drastic discounts. Avoiding unverified online sellers or marketplaces significantly reduces your risk of acquiring a counterfeit item. Your source matters greatly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.